Hi guys, in this video we will see how to fix Microsoft Teams error code 0xCAA82EE7 on Windows 11 and Windows 10. Such type of error code appear when you try to launch Microsoft Teams. And the first workaround is go to settings of your system, right click on start button and choose settings. And here from the left side go to system, thereafter go to right side, scroll down and look for the option troubleshoot. Click on troubleshoot. Here click on other troubleshooters and here run network and internet troubleshooters. There may be a possibility of network and internet problem of your in your system, so you must run network and internet troubleshoot in your system. After that, check whether your Microsoft Team error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes, open control panel in your system. In control panel from the top right corner under view UI, choose category and click on clock and reason. Here choose date and time and here from the top menu bar go to internet time. From the top menu bar click on it and click on change settings. Here make the check against option synchronize with an internet time server and also under server click on update now. And finally click on OK. Please wait while Windows synchronizes with time windows.com. And after that restart your system and check whether your Microsoft Team error code resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. The next one is open run dialog box by pressing Win plus R shortcut key or right click on start button and choose run, and in run dialog box type ncpa.cpl. It will open all your available network connection in your system. Here simply right click on your network connection, either Ethernet, Wi-Fi or local area connection. Right click on it and choose properties. A new window will open now. Here select Internet Protocol version 4 TCP IPv4, select it and choose properties. Here make the check against option use the following DNS server address and use Google DNS server address, and the Google DNS server address is preferred DNS server should be 8 and alternate DNS server 8844 and press apply and OK to save the changes. Click on OK to save the changes and check whether your Microsoft Team error code in your Windows 11-10 system resolved or not. If not, go to the next fixes. And the next one is right click on a start button and choose settings again. Here from the left side of settings, scroll down and click on apps. Thereafter go to right side and choose installed apps. Here look for Team app, type Teams in search field and click on 3 horizontal dot against Microsoft Teams app and choose advanced options. Here scroll down and go to the reset section. If this app is not working right, we can try to repair it. The app's data would not be affected. First choose repair Teams app. And if this app still is not working right, reset it. The app's data will be deleted. If repair Microsoft Teams not resolve your issue, then reset Microsoft Team app. And once repair and reset not fix your issue, then simply uninstall Microsoft Team app and install a fresh version of Microsoft Team app in your system. So simply choose uninstall and reinstall a fresh version of Microsoft Teams app in your system. That's all.